Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making ribs and sauerkraut. Here at the stove I've already heated up my Dutch oven and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 1 rack of baby back ribs that I've cut into individual pieces, which I've also gone and lightly salted and peppered. And I'll be browning up the meaty side of the ribs. Once the ribs are browned up, they get transferred over to a plate and set over to the side. In the same pan, I'll be sauteing down 1 large onion that's been roughly diced. Once the onions are softened up, I'll be tossing in a handful of new potatoes. And I'll start adding the ribs back in, along with any accumulated juices from the plate. Next, 1 bag of sauerkraut. And finally, a half of a cup of white wine. If you don't want to use wine, chicken stock or water will work just as well. These now get covered and they're going to simmer here on the stove for about 2 to 3 hours or until the ribs are tender. It took about 2.5 hours for the ribs to become nice and tender, so I've gone ahead and pulled them out of the Dutch oven. And I'll be serving these alongside some caramelized shallot dinner rolls. All I have left to do is dive in and try these out. It smells so good. I can't wait to try it. These ribs turned out phenomenal. The meat melts in your mouth. You barely even need to chew it. The potatoes are nice and creamy on the inside and have picked up just a little bit of flavor from the sauerkraut. I really do like the white wine in here. It adds just a subtle little flavor. The only thing I think I would say, and this is really just a nitpick, is I wish it had a little bit more black pepper, but that's all personal preference. Overall, these are incredible ribs, and I definitely look forward to making them again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.